Whoa, whoa!
Is that good?
Yeah, you're there. We're there. Probably the safest way to do this. So, what are we doing here today? Fulfilling the prophecy.
Because I won!
Is that your best? Yeah. it's cracked open. Oh! Oh no! It's extra parts. Don't know what that was. Watch, that's a shock.
It's fucking jack stand.
Oh, you are. Just drill it out. There's another one right here.
Damn, bud. You don't just go full force right away.
Yeah, you for sure do.
Fucking prick.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let me move my. There we go.
You want a hammer, bud?
I don't know. Hit it. Oh, yeah. Louie, Louie.
It's a fucking sorbet.
Oh, that's metal. How about that?
Fucking Allen key.
Big ol' Allen. That's
What?
a weird fucking shock bolt.
There you go.
Push down on it.
Running like oh my good carpet. This is so mint. Fucking prick.
Carpet's still good.
I think that was the last piece of actual. Oh no, I guess we still have all this.
This? Start ripping it up for no reason. This shit! Is this what you want to keep? What you're talking about? It doesn't even matter! We got it for free!
Did he tell you?
No.
We got offered money for this thing.
What?
Oh yeah.
Why didn't we take it?
That's what I said.
It's fucking $2,500.
For this, as is?
As it was.
Oh, get it. 100%. Say yes.
Too late now. Fucking Michael called Logan. Logan's like, no, don't do that.
What? No, hold on. What the fuck?
Logan, are you an idiot?
Michael told me after the case.
$2,500 could
I would've
buy us
taken it.
something way better.
The amount of shit we could have done with $2,500 for this channel.
Whoa, dude! Whoa, dude! What? I think we got air ride.
Cool. Where's your hammer at?
Don't hammer my fucking sockets in. Oh, you nasty bitch.
Hey, it worked.
Still don't appreciate it. A sweet gas tank tool.
With my beautiful ugly welds.
I don't even call them welds.
I wouldn't either.
I bet you're not doing anything.
Probably not. It doesn't seem like it.
That's what I'm saying. That's the dampening control. Oh no, it's cool. Ah! I hit my hand. It scared me.
As soon as I said it was coming out.
I thought he was gonna get me. That hurt. Fuck you guys. Oh yeah.
Don't speak to me like that.
Okay, we gotta jack it back up. Thing's got a lot of travel. Not for long. Huh?
Bless me.
I have no idea what to do from here.
Your turn, Zach.
Made a bunch of messes. No problem.
Alright, new plan?
We're cutting it with a sawzall, I guess.
While it's on the car?
Yeah. What do you mean? There's a
Not
solid
doing
groove in that.
shit. Is there?
There's a groove.
Fucking barely.
Alright, hand me the grinder.
6 years later.
Some stiff ass springs.
They're red, they're probably eyeballs.
Is everybody getting sketched out all of a sudden?
Because it's you.
Alright, this would be the part that you would pry if you want to pry.
You want me to put
I'm kind of feeling like you should pry at this point. Oh, it definitely feels like there's some tension there.
Keep going.
Yeah. It's got to be like right there. Where's the hammer?
in bed?
Zach's busy right now, okay? Don't bother him.
No, I can't reach it. Because I am holding tension on here.
I'm holding the camera, so...
You fucking lazy bitch.
Ah!
Fucking hammer's heavier than you are.
He breaks your leg.
Alright, fucking here we go. I don't understand how that's not...
Oh!
There we go.
Got it! See, it wasn't that far in there.
Oh man.
An awful lot more than you thought.
There's not a flat spot in it. You know, cutting this right next to the fuel pumps.
You'll be
may or
alright.
may not be leaking.
It's not leaking, it's water.
May or may not.
We're about to find out.
May or may not. If we take that out, and we got another 1.5 inches.
I think we need that 1.5 inches.
I lost my nut for the sway bar. Oh well. We don't need it.
Alright, now bring the pry bar over here and we will get jamming. Oh, that's like the worst angle ever.
You're doing fine.
Got a
Hammer or sawzall? I think hammer's on the other side. Fucking look at that.
Alright, keep cutting. And then do the hammer.
With what? That didn't sound good. What the?
You did it! Logan, I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Where'd you get that?
Definitely not mechanics.com. Definitely not mechanics.com. Definitely not mechanics.com. That's
Yeah.
it.
What else is on that website?
Dildos, butt plugs. Wait, which website?
definitely not mechanics.com.
This shirt.
Koozies, stickers.
Soon to be other merch, maybe.
Yeah.
We haven't decided yet.
All right, y'all watch out.
Oh shit.
What's it doing?
Nothing. Bending. So,
He just runs. There you go.
that's why.
All right.
Big ass strut.
We're cutting that in half.
I can't get this off, Zach. I need a strong man like you.
Go for it.
Are the bolts out?
The idiots that put these on.
Pad
put
slapped
brand
it.
New, yeah, put brand new fucking brake pads on probably OEM rotors.
What if we just take a grinder to the lip?
Well, you still gotta get it the fuck off first.
Just hammer it off.
Nick needs us to hurry because he's late for his pumpkin carving.
I don't think the hammer's gonna get that off.
It literally just got it off on the other side.
not
You're
on
being a
this side,
bitch.
Just hit it hard.
Well, I was trying to pry the piston back in to give it.
Here, I'll hit it off. Hold the camera.
Alright.
He's like, I ain't done shit all fucking day. There.
Well, thanks for fucking up the hose.
Still needed everything connected, asshole.
It's still connected. Look how faster we go. Oh, I don't want to do
Oh shit!
that. Look how faster it goes when you actually know what to do.
Alright, Captain.
All right, boys. You ready? Let's do this, boys.
Oh no. Come get a video of this.
What happened?
The big fuel leak.
Supposed to have the fuel can on there.
Dang, boys.
It's all Logan's fault.
That ain't the pan. That's not the. That's a line leaking.
Oh, is it?
Up here. So, she low as shit, but it's got a fuel leak now.
Thanks to
I
Logan.
can't imagine what that would be. I'm pretty sure it's the diff has hit one of the lines. Either way, it's cool now.
Low as shit. We got Mercedes for sale.
2500, adult owned, never abused, no modifications.
Definitely not mechanics.com. Get you some merch. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.
Here, one over there. Oh yeah, fill that little funnel up. Fill that little funnel up. Baby funnel do 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 do.
Is the girth on that one better?